Salamat, Your Honor. Your Honor, medyo papaliwanag ng tipo, bakit medyo mataas yung tono ng pangangalita. Sapagkat ako pinaniwala na ang salita na medyo mataas ay nagagaling sa puso. Pero, yung medyo malumangin na salita ay nagagaling sa isip para dokoyin ito. Kaya mo rin po ito. Kaya po ito. Your Honor, ang amin na po, sino ba po magtitiwala kung ang minority glory po ito ay ang kapatid ng ating magawa? Sapagkat, hindi o, paano natin makukumbinsi yun? Yung pong patubaya na ang mangyayari po ito ay balance. Hindi po maaari mag-balance yun. Kasi po, yung sinasabi nila na 5 taon na po silang minority law leader, magkakapit pa po noon. Iba po ang sista na ngayon. Kaya po, ito po, yung honor, para naman po sa pagiging balance natin dito sa konseyo, na ibigay yung pamumuno ng minorya sa nararapan. Your Honor, maraming salamat po, Your Honor.
Okay. Monyo Pangko?
Yes, Your Honor. With that, since there are 17 of us who manifested that we belong to the dominant minority group. So I move for the reorganization of this dominant minority group.
Your Honor, I object to the motion. Point of order. I move to divide the House.
Your Honor.
Let's divide the House. Sino po ang sumasang-ayon na sa motion po ni Konsehal Monyo Pangko?
Your Honor, please. Parliamentary inquiry.
May motion.
Parliamentary
Your Honor,
inquiry.
there's a pending motion, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is parliamentary. The incidental motion is...
Your Honor, there's a pending motion. Please rule on the motion.
Sino po ang sumasang-ayon
Your Honor, please.
na
Your Honor, please.
ibekan po ang
With due respect to the majority floor leader, Your Honor, there is the order of preference under the rules of parliamentary procedure.
Your Honor, there...
sino po ang sumasang-ayon? Taas po ang kamay.
Your Honor, please.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, please. There is an order of precedence, Your Honor. There is an order of hierarchy, Your Honor. An incidental motion is more powerful than any other main motion, Your Honor.
Councilor JTB, meron pong pending motion po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Na i-divide po natin ang House. Unahin po na muna natin.
Your Honor.
Okay.
May I speak, Your Honor? May I state my...
Mamaya na po. After po ng division po of the House.
This is very important, Your Honor.
Ang pinakamatindi pong motion po is adjourn.
Point of order, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think the gentleman from the 4th District is being unruly, Your Honor.
That is the presumption, Your Honor, of the gentleman from the 6th District, Your Honor. Your Honor, please.
1 minute recess, Speaker by the Chair.
Your Honor.
More than 3 hours that we've been Session resumed. Majority Floor Leader. Your Honor, ako po'y nakikiusap sa ating mga samahan dahil halos 3 oras na po tayo dito nagdilibate tungkol po sa ating internal rules of procedure at ang estado po ng konseho, ako po'y nakikiusap na baka pwede na po natin talakayin ang mga napaka-importante mga ordinance at resolusyon na kinakailangan po ng ating mga nasasakupan dito sa Manila. Lalo na po ngayon, Your Honor, panahon po ng kalamidad at kailangan na po ipasoto. Kaya with that, Your Honor, Majority Floor Leader, bago muna yan, bigyan muna natin sila ng pagkakataon. Si Councilor Tizio Bagasin.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Councilor Tizio Bagasin, you are recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a collective privilege, Your Honor. I just want to say that we're facing everything in the last session. In the last sessions that we've done, it's over. I want to know about today that 17 elected councilors went up to the court and they manifested that they will join or constitute the minority, Your Honor. Doesn't that speak enough for itself that 17 individual councilors spoken to court and said that they're going to join the minority? And what will happen is that the question was asked by Honorable Pangko to the Secretariat to ask ilan po yung manifest ngayon. And then the question was given to the minority leader.
Point of order, Your Honor.
He said 4.
Minority Pleasure, point of order, Your Honor. Number one for Your Honor, so we manifested already that it's a question of personal and collective privilege. Number one, we have exhausted all our time in this unfortunate event. Sila, tumatayo lang po sila dyan. It's very clear in the rules that before making a personal collective privilege, they should first register with the majority floor leader with the permission of the presiding officer. So, sana Your Honor,
Councilor Philip, ako ay nagbibigay ng pamanin. Pwede ba natin sa nabigyan ng pagkakataon? Bibigyan mo po kayo ng 2 minutes. Tatlong, baka pwedeng magsalita ng tatlo para ilang.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Pagkatapos, 2 minutes. Okay, tapos niyan, pwede po ba punta na tayo sa ibang talakihin po natin? Para hindi naman po tayo ganun matagal na makakaya naman po sa mga kasama po namin dito. Councilor DJ, continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. I love you too. I just want to ask, to continue, Your Honor, the question was asked kung ilan ang nag-manifest ng minority kanina, and then the answer was 4, which is not naman the case. We all saw with our eyes, and we heard with our ears, that it was 17 individuals. And I don't think we can just negate that and put it in the back burner, and, just like it never happened, which is, it's really unprecedented kung hindi ma-recognize yun, Your Honor. And I think that the minority can be constituted every single session time, even based on last session. This is a new happening in every session. So I think the minority can reorganize itself any session based on those numbers. So Your Honor, I just want to know what will happen to the 17 individual councillors who manifested and stood up and said their piece so that they want to join or constitute a new minority, Your Honor. Because the Secretary did not answer kanina. It was addressed to him.
Pero, Councilor DJ, wala po nangyari ng organization ngayon dahil nakita po natin yung boto kanina. At, hindi po kayo minority board. Ang minority po yung kanina na binanggit po dito.
I can answer, Your Honor.
Hindi po tayo pwede mag-debate po dito. Ay, presiding officer po ako dito. Sinasabi ko lang po yung nakikita ko po dito sa habang pinapanood ko po kayo. Meron pa po bang gusto magsalita? Tapos na yun, Councilor DJ. Para maaga tayo patapos. Diba? Councilor JK, bibigyan na ba?
Thank you, Your Honor. Just 2 minutes, Your Honor. I just want to point out, Your Honor, yung sinabi po kanina ni Councilor Monyo Pangco, yung kanyang motion to move for a reorganization, Your Honor. Our point there, Your Honor, is this. Kung ang nagdeklarang minority sa kasalukuyan ay 4, at merong 17 nagdeklarang bagong mga minority, so it only means na meron ng 21 na minority mula sa 4 na minority. It is just fair na yung 4 na dating minority ay maging 21. So, ibig sabihin, may 21 members na po ang minority. Kaya tama po yung ginawang motion ni Councilor Pangco that he moves for the reorganization. Sapagkat kung mananatiling 4 ang bilang ng minorya at nadagdagan ng 17, ibig sabihin, hindi na po minorya yung 4, 21 na po. Pero lumabas po sa batuhan na yung 4 na minorya bumoto pa dun against sa reorganization. So it only means na po, Your Honor, na yung 4 na minorya ay hindi totoong minorya. Sapagkat yung 17 nagdeklarang minorya ay humihingi ng reorganization sapagkat inaakala namin na meron kami kasama pang 4 at kami 21 na. Pero nung humihingi ng reorganization, yung 4 na minorya ay bumoto sa mayorya. That's the point of Councilor Monyo Pangco. Maraming salamat.
Okay. Meron pa? Okay, para hindi pa nga dito. Councilor Alicia.
Salamat, Your Honor. Your Honor, medyo papaliwanag ng tipo bakit medyo mataas yung
tono ng pangangalita ko. Sapagkat ako po yung iniwala na ang salita na medyo mataas ay nagagaling sa puso. Pero, yung medyo malumangin na salita ay nagagaling sa isip para dokoyin ito. Kaya ko rin po yun. Kaya po ito. Yun. Ang amin na po, sino pa po magtitiwala kung ang minority glory po ito ay ang kapatid ng ating mga sapagkat hindi ko kapag natin makukumpinsin yung pong patbayan na ang mangyayari po ito ay balanse. Hindi po maaari mag-balanse yun. Kasi po, yung sinasabi nila na 5 taon na po sila minority glory leader, magkakapit pa po ngayon. Iba po ang sistema ngayon. Kaya po, ito po, yung honor, para naman po sa pagiging balanse natin dito sa konseyo, na ibigay yung pamumuno ng minorya sa harapan yung honor. Maraming salamat po, Your Honor.
Okay. Tama na po. Masyado na po mahaba ang talakayin natin. Paulit-ulit po yung sinasabi natin.
Yeah, okay, let's go to the business for the day. Your Honor,
personal privilege.
Your Honor, let's move for business of the day.
Okay.
Your Honor, first is a resolution authorizing the utilization of appropriation provided under the Special Activities Fund and application expenses for the City General Welfare Development Program and the Kalinga sa Manila Program, all under Special Purpose Appropriation, Ordinance Number